Hey everybody, Fletch from All Things Overlanding here. Just wanted to thank you for stopping by the channel today. Hopefully you've watched a few of our videos and kind of seen we do a variety of videos from overlanding trip adventures to rig modifications, and I also do a lot of gear reviews. So if you're interested in camping, overlanding, video and videography and audio recording, those types of things, you'll definitely enjoy the channel. So please, if you can, click the subscribe button below. Also click the bell to be notified when a new video comes out. I try to post at least once a week, but oftentimes 2 or 3 times if I can. It just kind of depends on the schedule. I have a 6 and a 9-year-old, so sometimes it can vary. But again, I try really hard to post as regularly as possible. I try to also respond to any comments that I get. So please click the like button, click subscribe below. Leave comments if you have feedback, if you have something you'd like to see reviewed. On today's 3-Minute Thursday, I'm actually going to be talking about something that's a little bit strange, maybe. Something that you may not have thought about a lot in the world of overlanding or camping. I mean, there's a lot of reviews of things like fridge freezers and rooftop tents and super high-end gear, that kind of stuff. On today's 3-Minute Thursday, it's actually kind of funny. I was kind of inspired by a friend of mine, James from Journey West. Check out his channel. I'll put a link down below. The reason being is I watched his Overland Expo video, and in it, he's in his tent, and he's getting ready to pack up, and he pulls out a dustpan and a brush. And he sweeps the stuff from the bottom of his tent using a dustpan and a brush. And again, I'm kind of old school. My dad beat me when I was a child. Like, he was a tough Bobby Knight kind of character, if you know who Bobby Knight is. So like, it just never occurred to me that, wow, you could buy something as inexpensive and simple as a dust pan and broom and clean out your tent, which I apologize if you think that I'm an idiot, and I'm not surprised if you think that. But basically, here's the thing. Again, I've always been like tough guy. I don't need first aid kits. I don't need any of that stuff. But I have noticed recently, I have a Coleman 4-person pop-up tent that is amazing, and I highly recommend it. I love it. I'll put a link down below to that as well. But my kids have been in and out of it with their shoes on, off, whatever it is, it's filthy on the inside. And I've just been like, well, I guess I just use it until it gets so dirty that I have to buy a new one. Which... Now that I'm saying this out loud, I feel like, wow, that's really dumb to say. But when I watched James's video on Journey West, I was like, wow, okay, he's actually maintaining his equipment. He's taking care of it. That's a really smart thing to do. So I went online and I bought this dustpan and brush. And I will say I'm actually really impressed with it. Like, you know, it smoothly fits together into one piece. It has a brush cleaner on it, so you can go like this and just sort of clean the brush off. It's a really simple, dumb idea, but it is also one that I had not thought of for about 2 or 3 years before this. So feel free to just tear me apart in the comments. I'm fine with that. That's fine. But this is definitely something I'd recommend. And you know how much this cost? It was about $6. So again, it just took watching someone else's video to realize that I was being an idiot and that I needed to buy something this simple to do this. So I hope that that's helpful for you. Again, I will post a link below. If you've never thought about that, please post up in the comments and make me feel better about myself. If you have thought about that and I'm a complete moron, fine. Also post up in the comments. I will take that. I'll take that punishment. I realize I'm an idiot. That's fine. But yeah, go out and get one of these, especially this one. It's highly recommended by Amazon. It's got great reviews. I'm excited to use it. I'm excited to actually have a clean tent when I'm leaving camp instead of just waiting until it gets totally destroyed and throwing it away. So yeah, I hope this video is helpful for you. I hope that this product is helpful for you. And again, click the subscribe button below, click the bell button below, like the video, post up in the comments, let me know what you're thinking, let me know what you'd like to see from a review standpoint, and I will do it. That's what I'm here for. I'm here for you guys. So again, thanks for watching. My saying is always live, learn, discover. So follow us at allthingsoverlanding.com, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. My goal is to post as much content as possible, give you guys as much value as possible. So I hope you're enjoying the channel, and thanks. Have a good night.